News that's coming in at the moment. News that's coming in at the moment. Politics over Bengal train tragedy is now peaking. The Congress is training the guns on the Bharatiya Janata Party over the train tragedies that have taken place in the past few months. Congress has now given out data and pointing towards the fact that 11 train accidents have taken place every month since 2014. They are seeking accountability from the centre. The chorus is growing for the resignation of the Railway Minister. The Railway Minister is Ashwini Vaishnav. It is Congress which at the moment has given out data, and now they are saying that there has to be the resignation of the Railway Minister Ashwini Vaishnav. My colleague Rajesh Saha is still with me on the story. Rajesh, we are now seeing the big politics that is playing out. We have seen how Ashwini Vaishnav has been on the ground. The Congress, however, is giving data and saying since 2014, which means over the past decade, the number of train incidents that have taken place are just growing. They want the resignation of the Railway Minister.
Yes, absolutely. That is true. That is absolutely true. The Rail Minister visited the accident spot yesterday. He was there on the railway track on the exact location where the accident took place. And we asked the Railway Minister a lot of questions, and we have asked the Sukanta Majumdar, who is also Central Minister. But he is saying that is not the right time for politics, which is being done by the opposition parties, including the state ruling party Trinamool Congress. You know, the Chief Minister of West Bengal, Mamata Banerjee, was here. She has visited the hospital where all the injured passengers are admitted and are being treated. She has also raised questions on the central government, on the railway board, Indian Railways, on the Raksha Kavach also. But the central cabinet minister and central minister Sukanta Majumdar both are saying this is not the right time for politics. Our first priority is to complete the restoration process, to rescue all the injured passengers from the train, and to giving treatment to all the injured passengers who are admitted in the hospital. So let them work first. This is our first priority. After it's complete, we'll look into the politics. But this is not the right time for politics.
Thank you, Rajesh, for giving us all those details. It is the Congress versus the BJP with regards to the train accident that has now taken place. My colleague Ritik Mondal is also joining me on the story. Ritik, we are seeing, unfortunately, people have lost their lives, but the initial probe very clearly saying within a span of 15 minutes, both the trains were given the same signal.
At that location, which says that one automatic signaling system which was defunct yesterday, and violating that guideline, that overspeeded goods train crossed and ramped into the express train from behind. There are questions being asked why the guidelines issued by railway were not followed. The guideline says that this paper line clearance ticket used to given to the loco pilots once a section defunct with the automatic signaling system, and we are given to understand that since yesterday the automatic signaling system, at least 9 automatic signaling systems were not properly working, so which is why loco pilots were instructed to run the trains at a limited speed, maintaining a 15 minutes distance from each other, and judging everything on the and following the manual signals given by railway staffs appointed at level crossing and many other points. So why those were violated? And we know that in that particular section, that ABS system, absolute blockade system, which has been a very well-proof system, has been installed over here. But that also guideline of ABS systems also said that another train cannot come on the same track where there are some restriction are being issued, or the automatic signaling systems are not properly working until the time the another train which is running at a very limited speed cross the entire stretch, another train cannot come. So here the question is raised, why a overspeeded train that was allowed to take on the same track, the goods train particularly, it was at a high speed, we are given to understand, and that rammed into the express train from behind.
That is my colleague Ritik, who's giving us all the details and also pointing towards the fact that both the trains were given the same command just in a gap of 15 minutes. In fact, massive politics is now taking place over the train tragedy that has taken place in the state of West Bengal. The opposition is training the guns on the Railway Mantri, Ashwini Vaishnav, and the central government. The India bloc is intensifying the attack, demanding Ashwini Vaishnav's resignation as the railway minister. Upping the ante, all the opposition parties, from Congress to TMC to the Uddhav Thackeray Shiv Sena to the RJD, all of them are questioning the centre with regards to this tragedy.
Deadly tragedy on the tracks again. The impact so strong that the coaches were thrown several feet up in the air. At least 9 people died and over 30 injured after an overspeeding goods train rammed into a stationed express train in Bengal, Siliguri. The loco pilot of the goods train, his assistant and the guard of the passenger train are among the 9 victims.
जब घटना घटा तब आप कहाँ थे? ट्रेन के अंदर?
मैं ट्रेन के अंदर था।
तो क्या आवाज कैसा आया आपको?
आवाज मतलब मेरा तो B1 कुछ था, बहुत जोर से मतलब झटका दिया है। तो जैसे झटका दिया तो सब ऐसे बोल रहा था कि एक्सीडेंट हो गया, एक्सीडेंट हो गया। हम भी चिल्ला रहा था, सब रो रहा था। फिर हम तुरंत बाहर आके देखा कि यहाँ पीछे से एक्सीडेंट हुआ है ट्रेन का।
The goods train that collided had reportedly overshot a signal. The impact derailed the last 3 coaches of the express train.
ये ट्रेन अगरतला से सियालदा के लिए जा रही थी और इसका पीछे से एक्सीडेंट हुआ है, कोलिजन हुआ है एक गुड्स ट्रेन के द्वारा। प्रारंभिक इंफॉर्मेशन के हिसाब से ऐसा लग रहा है कि गुड्स ट्रेन के ड्राइवर ने सिग्नल को डिसरिगार्ड किया है और रियर एंड से कंचनजंगा को हिट किया है।
The crash prima facie suggests human error as the cause of deadly accident.
So there are 2 desks, this one by the administration of the railways and the other one is by the police, which is constantly doing the rounds. People are coming, people are inquiring. Ex-gratia amounts have been given out by the state government of Tripura, the railways and the Prime Minister's office as well.
From Congress to Uddhav Thackeray to TMC, the opposition has been training guns on Ashwini Vaishnav, demanding his resignation as Rail Mantri. Bengal Chief Minister criticized centre and termed rail accidents in last decade as mismanagement by the Modi government.
His government is careful only to take so many measures about the election, how to go for hacking. Is it not the mockery? I think they should give more time for the governance, not for utterance.
Railway Minister Ashwini Vaishnav urged opposition netas to stop politicizing the issue.
ये पॉलिटिक्स का समय नहीं है, अभी सारा फोकस होना चाहिए रेस्क्यू और रेस्टोरेशन पे। पैसेंजर सेफ्टी के लिए बहुत बड़ा फोकस है।
India witnessed a series of unfortunate train accidents over the last year. It is time to put safety first. With Surya Agni Roy in Kolkata, Bureau Report, India Today.